This is the Woodenhouse wood cooking utensil set. The company sent this to me so I could do a review on it. This is a really great set. This is all premium teak wood here. It's got a really nice finish on it. This company they really thought out these items here. These are all handcrafted premium pieces here. When you hold these pieces here, you just feel the thought and care that went into it. These items are just super, super high end, very durable, very luxurious. This would be a great addition to any kitchen here. You get 14 pieces to start out here. You get these 6 stainless steel hooks. You get the holder, you get the large turner, the spatula, the skimmer, the soup ladle, the fork spoon, the serving spoon, the wood holder, and then the spoon rest here. All really nice pieces here. Again, these pieces are made very well. This is gonna, like I said, this is gonna make any kitchen look good here. You could see if you just stack them up in here, and just you could store them in here. If you have the room in your kitchen, this is gonna make it look really fancy. If you have somewhere where you can hang these are gonna look really nice as well. They just do a really nice job here of, you could see the premium teak wood. I'm very pleased with these. It's gonna be a nice addition to my kitchen here. Again, I usually use silicone, but I'm going to be starting with the teak wood here. I'm very happy with these. The spoon rest is really nice. I'm going to be able to use this on my stove top here, and just a really nice set here. So definitely want to check these out. This is the 14-piece the Woodenhouse wooden cooking utensil set, all premium teak wood, really high quality here. Definitely want to pick a set of these up. Really nice item.